Every millimeter of precision comes from the ultimate craftsmanship. Today, we take you to explore the core manufacturing secrets of precision bearings. It all starts with special alloys. Perfect ratio of hardness, toughness and fatigue resistance with less than 0.01% tolerance. At a high temperature of 1200 degrees Celsius, the billet undergoes 2 precision forging presses to form the skeleton of the bearing blank. Turning is used for the initial molding of core components such as inner and outer rings of bearings, removing the allowance of forging or casting blanks and forming a contour close to the final shape. Quenching gives bearing high hardness and wear resistance. Tempering balances hardness and toughness, removes stress, stabilizes dimensions, and ultimately results in bearings with high load carrying capacity, fatigue resistance, and long-term reliability. Stable removal of hard and brittle materials through the micro-cutting action of the grinding wheel grits. Combined with the use of coolant, this reduces tempering or phase transformation of the material due to high grinding temperatures.